Full disclaimer, I don't know what I'm doing. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So, I don't know if you noticed something different about me, but yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I washed, blow dried, and straightened my hair at home. I will be telling you the products that I used, the process that I went through, and I'll be showing you, all of the steps. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also be sure to turn on all your notifications and follow me on Instagram at SoNaturallyGwen. All right, let's get started. All right, you guys, so let's get started. So first, what I'm going to do is show you what I will be using to wash my hair to prepare my hair for the hairstyle. For shampoo conditioner, I'm going to be using both of these. They are the Dove Intensive Repair shampoo and conditioner. And then for deconditioner, I was going to choose something just, really hydrating, because that shampoo and conditioner, not only does it have sulfates in it, but it also, it doesn't have silicones in it, but it has proteins in it. So I was like, okay, let me balance it out and use something moisturizing. So I have these two. I'm probably going to use this one. This is just my Novex Mystic Black Deep Treatment Mask. I've talked about this so many times on my channel. It's just this really nice, affordable deep conditioner. So what I'm going to do is I will skip the washing and we'll get into the hairstyling, which I'm really nervous about. Just full disclaimer, I don't know what I'm doing. I think I do. Like, I've done a lot of research on YouTube and Google, bought the products, bought the stuff. I don't know if it's going to be done right. So yeah. Okay guys, so I am back. I washed my hair, but anyways, let's move on. So next I'm going to be blow drying my hair. I'm going to be using this new hair tool that I got. It's called the Knot Doctor. It's one of these like blow dryer brush things. And so how it works, I don't even know how it works, honestly. I think you just turn it on. Okay, you just turn it on and the bristles get hot. This is the first section. So what I'm going to use on my hair before is this. It's the Chi Straight Guard Smoothing Style Cream. Okay, it's basically like a blow drying cream. I've never used this before, so wish me luck. Smells like a hairdresser. Next what I'm going to do is lightly finger detangle and then work my way to a comb. I'm shook. I'm shooketh. Look at how easy that was. We'll see how it is when I get into like up in here, because that's when it gets real. But yeah, no, I'm really happy with the results so far. Like, oh my god. So I'm going to turn off my mic and just let you guys watch the rest of the process, and I will come back when the rest of my hair is all blow dried out. All right, hey you guys, so I am like about to be half of the way done. I just had to come on here to let you know I finally found the combination of products to make your blowout super smooth. So what ended up working best is the Chi Straight Guard with the Chi Iron Guard. You know, I should have known because back when I used to get my hair done at the hair salon, she used to use this on my hair and it would always come out so nice. Yeah, so you need the Chi Iron Guard. This is only $3.99 at TJ Maxx, so you can find the mini ones or you can get them at like Rite Aid. I see that product like everywhere, so it's really easy to find. Oh my god, my hair feels so silky smooth and like instantly. Like I felt like I was trying to use this one, the Tresemme, let's see, Tresemme Naturals, the Tresemme Heat Tamer, which is pretty good. I used it on this piece. But up in like the roots, I just needed something else, and the Chi Iron Guard just really did it for me, and I cannot stop touching my hair. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using. All right, you guys, so I am back. So the blowout portion of this tutorial is done. I'm gonna say it's a tutorial now because I think it's going pretty well so far. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys try this. Even if you're someone who knows how to like round brush and blow out hair in that way, I just recommend this because it's so much easier. But yeah, so I'm about to move on to the next part of this tutorial, which is straightening. So I decided to straighten my hair. So for the flat iron that I'm going to be using, I'm just going to be using a Chi flat iron. Anyways, yeah, just a Chi flat iron, 1 inch. Yeah, so I'm going to turn it on. And then you can adjust the heat. So the lowest is 180 and the highest is 410. I'm going to put it somewhere in the middle. So if 200, so I'm going to put it at 300, I think. Even though I don't want
wanna show emotions. I'm open, not the type to try and double back twice, but you had me running right back. Had me coming back to back, yeah. Play it by your neck, yeah. Tell you arch your back, yeah. Tell you to shut your ass up. Rushing here real fast just to take it slower. You know I ain't these types of hoes, and boy, you let me know. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get there way faster. Claiming that you're here to stay, we'll see how it plays faster. Boy, you say you're done with games and more. We gotta get deeper now, deeper and deeper now. One time you give it to me so good. Guess I never had a real nigga from the hood. But you gotta understand this wasn't in my plans. You're trying to get deeper now. Feelings is deeper now. Get some lips. Know I like to kiss, baby. Taking trips. Had to get away, baby. Posting pics. All in our business. Ain't no distraction. All about that action, but I hope you're not wasting my time. I want to give in, but get to relax. I want to feel more, but you ain't right sometimes. But it can't go to waste. Any nigga who can take your place. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get their way faster. Feeling that you're here to stay, we'll see how it plays faster. Boy, you say you're done with games and more. We gotta get.
All right, you guys, so I am back. I am so sorry. My camera, my memory card rather, got full. So sorry. I think the last thing you would have seen is me working on this side, and so I just finished this side. But yes, so this is the finished look. It's literally 4 a.m. right now. I need to go to sleep. So yeah, I'm about to wrap my hair now. But first what I did was I put some hair serum on. This I did off camera as well. This is the Cantu Super Shine Hair Silk. So anyways, next I'm going to wrap my hair. So what you're gonna need is a paddle brush, a soft bristle brush, and then you're gonna need one of these hair nets. I got this from, I think Walmart or the beauty supply, I can't remember. And then you'll need like a satin scarf. And she also uses 2 clips to clip each side, so let me get those. Yeah, she used alligator clips, but I don't have alligator clips, so I'm just gonna use these. So I'm just gonna let you watch me do this, and then I will see you guys in the morning. All right, good morning, you guys. So it is the next day, and so I'm about to take my hair down. So I wrapped it last night. My scarf did not fall off. It twisted a little bit, but it did not fall off. So the net came like right off. And I take it and I flip it. My scalp was feeling irritated like right here. So I'm gonna try switching my part like maybe like every night just to see, because I've heard of people doing that and I never usually would. I would always keep the same side, but so this is pretty much the finished look. overall, I think it went really well. It went a lot better than I thought it did. It went a lot better than I thought it would. Yeah, I'm not gonna put anything on my hair like day to day, I don't think. The most that I would do is just put some more of that hair serum. So yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I showed some of the process on Instagram, so be sure to follow me on there at SoNaturallyGwen. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also be sure to turn on all your notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.